Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube content. I'm Sangwoo Kim. In this video, I would like to share how to standardize or normalize data in Excel and R. Standardization or normalization helps you get better statistical analysis or machine learning outputs. Having said that, I recommend you to apply this technique into your multivariate data analysis always. There is one reference site I recommend you to visit and read the document. In machine learning world, they use feature terminology, which is same as variable, I think. So it explains why we need to consider feature scaling. So optimization technique require data to be scaled for gradient descent algorithm. And in terms of distance-based algorithm, also they are using distance between data points to determine their similarity. There is a formula for normalization and for standardization. And also it helps you understand how to use normalized technique or standardized technique. Actually, I feel as it also says the choice of using normalization or standardization will depend on your problem. So it means it depends on your data structure or your problem. Let me use body fat data. So let me explain how to standardize or normalize this y variable. Right. In our program, if you use scale function, you can change scale. You can change y data, y variable. So there are two options: center and scale. So if you specify center equals true, then you can get this one. And if you specify center as first and scale as true, then you can get this one. And simultaneously, if you specify center scale as true, then you can get this one. Let me show you how to calculate this one. So for y1, it only specifies center as true. So it means that raw data and subtract minus and average of y variable. Then you can get same result, right? Second case, y2. If you only specify a scale as true, a center as first, it means that in scale function it considers root mean square. So y over square root of some sq of y data and n minus 1, so count yeah, so y2. So as I explained, this is kind of standardization considering root mean square. The last one, y3, we specify center as true and scale as true. So it means that y variable minus average of y variable over standard deviation of sample and y variable. This one. So we typically consider this approach as standardization. So if you, when you use scale function, if we typically consider this one as standardization, but you can also consider or do different scale method. Right. Let me move on to normalization. So in our program, once you activate current library, then you can get different normalized or standardized data. So there are three options you can specify as a method. So if you specify method as center, then you can get this one. Actually, this is same as Y1. And secondly, you can consider scale option. Then this is the result. Actually, it's not root to mean square. It is actually over raw data over standard deviation. And the last one, if you specify a range as method as range, then you can get this one. So let me show you how to get this one. So if you specify method as center in a preprocessed function, then you can get this result. And again, this one is same as this one, Y1. And for Y5, if you specify method as scale, then Y over standard deviation of sample Y variable. Okay. So there's difference in preprocess. If you specify scale, then you can get this one. But in scale function, if you specify scale as true, then you can get this one. This is from actually root to mean square. The last one, normalization. So again, this is a normalization formula, x minus x mean over x maximum minus x minimum. So raw data minus mean of y variable and max of y variable minus mean of y variable. Right, this one is same as this one. So as you can see, normalized data range, once you do normalization, actually the minimum value is 0 and maximum number value is 1. So this is how to normalize raw data. Right? So in this video, I showed you how to do normalize, how to use normalization, and how to standardize your data. Okay, so you can consider scale function and also pre-processed function from current package. I hope it was useful to understand how to do standardization and normalization in XLNR. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.